Okay, today I'm going to be making some Halloween soap scented in Brew. I've got some fun Halloween colors picked out, but I really need to choose another name because I have a lot of kids in here and I don't think the moms would be okay with me having bitches anything on the labels. So I'm going to have to think about that. Maybe I'll just call it Witch's Brew. However, let's go make some soap. In this bucket we have our room temperature oils, and we're going to put our lye water in. I will go ahead and give this a quick stir. Okay, this is just at emulsification and really just kind of barely. I'm going to split this up into 3 different colors. Okay, I've chosen to use 3 different neons, all from Nurture Soap. This is the neon pink. We'll put this into there. And we're going to go ahead and just get a little bit of soap in there, better to get as much of that color out as I can. Hello. I just had a delivery. Thankfully Jordan's here, so I didn't have to abandon my soap. Okay, scrape this out and we'll move on. Now these are pigments that I just mixed with a little bit of the oil from the batter itself. And that is really, really pink. I hope it holds up in the soap. A lot of times I notice the neon pink, if you don't use enough, it'll kind of turn more into like a pale pink. But we'll see. Hopefully that won't be the case here. And next we have our neon green. So we'll go ahead and get that poured in. And we'll give that a quick stir. Move over to our final color, which is the neon purple from Nurture. And again, that's just the pigment mixed with a little bit of oil that I took out of the batter before I poured my lye water in. And now I'm just going to stick blend lightest to darkest before we add our fragrance oil. And I just screwed up by going purple before green, but we'll work with it. Just grab some paper towel here and wipe the excess off the outside. That'll kind of help from dulling that purple down, or green. Blip, blip, blip. That's all, folks. Alright. Alright, because we're doing a drop swirl, I am going to go ahead and stir my fragrance oil in by hand. But we are using Witch's Brew from Nature's Garden. And And I'll just divide this up evenly between the 3 jugs here, as evenly as I can. Go ahead and set this off to the side. And I need to read the notes on this again. It's a little hard to describe. Let's see. I can definitely smell the musk in there. I'm gonna put the description down in. I am going to put the notes of the fragrance down in the description so you can see what we're doing here. Since I can't describe it, and bitches is what does a bitch smell like? I obviously cannot use this name for my soap. I try to name all my soaps anyway. Like Dragon's Blood, I do use Dragon's Blood fragrance oil, and Monkey Farts is Monkey Farts fragrance oil. But any other time I really do try to create my own soap names, but definitely cannot use Bitches Brew. Okay, here we go. Our molds are ready. I think we're going to start with the pink. Just put a little bit of that in there. And then we'll go with the green. Just do a thin line of that down the middle. Then we would use purple. Back to the pink. I think I'll pour a little bit more this time. I don't want my colors getting too mottled here. Go down this side with the green. So far these neons are really standing out. A little bit more over here. Do the purple on this side, and of course I spilled a little, because why not? And one last time with the pink. One last time with the green. One last time with the purple. Let's see. Oh, fantastic. scrape out our containers. Time to decorate the tops. I don't want to go too down inside because as I can see a couple spots where the purple and the green started to mix and mottle just a little bit, so I just want to swirl my tops here just to make it a little interesting. I'll spray this with 90% rubbing alcohol. We'll be back tomorrow to cut the inside, to cut the soap. Okay, we're back the next day to give the soap a cut, and the top turned out nice and vivid, which makes me very happy. And the inside, you can see the pink stayed nice and neon, and the green stayed neon, and so did the purple. So I'm really happy with this as far as a Halloween soap goes. Now we are running a contest over on our Facebook page. We're giving away one free subscription box to 3 people. They'll get it for 1 month. So I'll put the link below. If you head on over to our Facebook page, it's real simple stuff. You have to like and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook. There's no tagging of friends or any of that involved. I don't like that, so I'm not going to ask other people to do it. If you want to tag somebody, that's more power to you, but I'm not going to have you tag 50 people on my post because it drives me bananas when somebody does it to me. Oops. There we go. And don't forget to like and subscribe our video here, and we'll see you again next time.